Unedited is in at the building right you know.
When we step in at the club, y'all are going down. Say them on a dope and them one
Big show going out to the French Touch. She's up in the building with the most sexiest jingles for the Jokey Dread. Loving it. Mad.
Come here, Red Bull, mix up with the rum, looking at the place, so the place shit. You're stepping at the big glass, so you're boss a lucky boy. Like you tell you what you girl, wind up your waist and your feet like a figure. Stepping at the middle, you know busy with nobody. Wind up your waist and show them your body. Camera action time, action one step on the front line. Jump up on me, y'all boss a rule wine right now. Y'all are worried down, say them on a dope and them one in bun. And now me Red Bull, mix up with the rum. Rawpa just had a one, back to my room, but you're stepping at the club.
Okay, the rappers in the building, I tell you, it's total madness, yo. There she is. The French Touch, what you saying, my darling? Yeah, it's like a party in there, you don't know. Mad. The only predictable about the show are the madness, yeah? Nice to have you here in the Inspiration FM studios on the Step Forward show, my brother, for real.
Don't know that joke, just say things set, no man. Blessings to be here, no man. Big up yourself, no man. And big up the whole production team. So it's the Inspiration, we say, no. FM!
Alright, mad. Alright, well, we're going to kick off with one of the tunes that caught my attention with you when I did first link it down at the Eurostar down at Battersea Bar. So the message that went out to all of the youth them still. So we're going to feature that one there for all the massive day, yeah?
Kick it. Don't know things set.
Wanna go and lava, she ain't get a thing good. So that girl said, well, man, come in, just shoot a youth out of Stockwell Station.
You wanna sit there?
So what do you do? Some girl at Stockwell Road. I'm feeling standing there, my priest. And I think priest are my face, don't it?
That's the one I was looking at. The Panasonic's the one that does the SD card with anti.
I was looking at one, yeah. They got the 250 at a time, 2 days ago. They end up with 450 of blood. It's just stay there, you know. On a big fake.
Alright. Okay, Mr. Rawpa.
See it there.
So right now, what you have for the massive? Tell the world them about yourself a little bit, because time is moving still, so.
See there, don't know say Rawpa Crawpa, no man. They were there, hardcore dancehall artists. So I say, not only hardcore as well, but deal with the thing on a positive note and on a positive level. So I say,
Well, alright, my brother, see. So, what, we're going to squeeze in the questions fast. What about music videos? Anything for the people them to look out for still?
Alright, right about now, you see, tomorrow, them can also look on YouTube. I have a video for upload as well, called Earth Not Safe None At All. You see me, I say, it's a bit political, we're not going at right now at the moment to depend on here and everything said, See me, I say, but if they want to know the full depths, them can go up on YouTube and go check it out. As I say, it name Earth Not Safe.
Okay.
Boom.
Earth Not Safe,
yeah. Still not done yet. We have a next one to come out shortly, the one there. Hopefully I go sit on Channel U, you go sit on Flavor and a few more TVs channel. The same one I just bunk squall, fly away. I take it to the sky in a bumper.
Okay, a bad thing for the Rawpa Crawpa, I'll tell you massive. We got French Touch in the building. You want to say hello, French Touch?
Hello, this is French Touch.
French connection. Boom bang.
So you feeling shy tonight?
Yeah, a little bit. Hi Northampton, hi world, hi everywhere. This is French Touch straight from France, you don't know. That's how we do it.
That's where I get all my sexy jingles from, you know what I mean? So we got the French connection in the building, for real, it's all mad. Okay, so Mr. Rawpa, so we're gonna say what? We're gonna bounce, we're gonna just feature that flyaway track again, yeah?
Yeah man, feature it, because I don't know what to say now. I'm all over say female them around here, so me I say, bounce it. Now tam big up on yourself. Rawpa there now.
Fly away, cross the rivers, cross the sky, ain't no valid reason why. Oh, we can fly away, fly away.
now we fly to the
We
Fly away, baby, fly away. Fly away, baby, fly away. You make me feel just like Superman. I want to fly with you in my hand. In the sky and steer dear land. Hold it tight and play some ping pong. Ping, 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 pong, pong, pong. Beat my chest just like me and that. It's on my chest, scratch this anonymous. Baby girl, more we fly anonymous. In the sky and cool like a Vegas. When we wake, we got married papers. Pick me, not to come later. Baby girl, you know me not this you. Why you live in a box, me not kick you. Baby girl, you're pretty white, love you.
fly away. Cross the rivers.
Mr. Rawpa, fly away, some big commercial track there for real.
I saw you have to do it now, Dada, you see it?
Yeah man, we like the flavour, yeah?
Mad.
So we're gonna have to just push on because time is really against us. I'm gonna move to the fourth track, the dancehall track that you have there.
Stepping at the club.
Yeah, the stepping at the club, yeah, that's the one.
I might think man, I'm crazy sitting.
I tell you what, let's hear from the big man, live pan it right about now, yeah? Just take it like that, you know, my brother?
Nah, Tom Tan.
Instrumental. That's the CD you give me, innit?
When we step in at the club, gyal a run me down. Say them man a joke and them want him bun. Under me Red Bull mix. Mad. A frost music. Say them man a joke and them want him bun. Now time I turn up top in here. Gyal step in at the middle and say you boss a dirty wine. I no giggle, you a giggle, gyal a jiggle, you a jiggle. Wine up your waist, gyal your feet like a fiddle. Step, pull up that and come again, jokey jerk.
Yes.
And now Tom Tan say no. I step in the club. When now Tom Tan girl them there.
When you can't hear himself in them cans.
When sexy girl them from now Tom Tan there. Yeah.
Turn him down, little toe.
Now Tom Tan. Girl stepping at the middle and say you boss a dirty wine. I don't giggle, you a giggle, girl a jiggle, you a jiggle. Wine up your waist, girl your feet like a fiddle. Stepping at the middle, you no business with nobody. Wine. Light, camera, action time. Action man step on the front line. Jump up on me, girl boss a rewind. When that Tom Tan girl them there, more to get mad around ya. A Rawpa. You can you know say. A big vibes. Well, lucky look there. Turn up your beat. Jiggy jiggy wine. Jiggy wine. Jiggy jiggy wine. Jiggy wine. Jiggy 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 jiggy. When we step in at the club, gyal a run me down. Say them man a joke and them want him bun. And that me Red Bull mix up with rum. When we step in at the club, say them man a joke and them want him bun. Mix up with rum. Gyal step in at them glass, your boss a dirty wine. I don't giggle, you a jiggle, you a jiggle, you a jiggle. Jump up on me, gyal boss a rewind. Jiggy wine. Jiggy jiggy. Pull up and come again and just fly out because the people. Well I know, Jokey, see if we do that. Inspiration, what you think is inspiration, innit?
Yes.
I hear one up. Let me get my couple of inspiration because I say things that. So me I say, it's right about now, out on the road, Jokey. Most of you them out on the road, they will pay nonsense and pay violence. You see me I say, and that not really make it. Most of them out there, them act like say they don't have a future, them fight for nothing. But them postcode war, them gang war, we find them think there's nonsense. You see me I say, we need to uplift the black community. We need to uplift humanity and uplift yourself. You see me I say, so, me not say man them can't fight no car. We not concrete jungle, we not war zone. But so, when them a fight, no one not fight for, and fight for your right. So, me I go tell them this, and The bigger head so also involved, you know. It's a psychology, but me say me fight for me right, and say me fight for your cause. Me hold them system and say me belly pan pass. Babylon see me them brand me outlaw, them can't touch me style. Can't match me flat, them see me na me hoodie and me tilt up car. Hype up themself but put behind bar. Fling on and cuff and start search up me car. Oh me nah work and me drive with the car. Open on me face like them want me for war. Meanwhile me a pray. Fi squeeze a piece of time, me say officer you take it too far. Me say we stop. Take a look. You them got skills, them read many books. As you see them, you just brand them as crook. You pop out your gun at them life you got took. Attack how much crack cocaine them a cook. When me check it out of some food, them a cook. Bill back pan them ends and them a made some book. Walk in at the mag and say people no look. A be innocent life for them took. It could be a next doctor life them took. It could be a next farmer life them took. It could be a next scientist them kill. Don't have to be a gunman get killed. Stop. Take a look. You them got skills, them read many books. As you see them, you just brand them as crook. And Juki, yeah go on now. You see? You know, in the ghetto me have to fight for me own. In the ghetto we have to fight for your own. My black brother them nah left a chrome. Hungry dog them need some bone. Baby a ball and grandma moan. My black sister them can't find a pound. Food gone up and the money gone down. All I see is darkness all around. Man them around the place like a gun town. Man them no left them Smith and Western. Man them are dead like a Western. No work, no money, no earn. Seems like it's not a concern. If bigger heads them don't come around. What you feel say? The man them a frown and the man them a shock. White and brown. Them can't take with a clown. Fight for me right and say me fight for your cause. Who them system and say me many power. Inspirational FM. I turn me a turn up around here, you know. That's so me black. I burn me burn up. I say thing turn up.
Mr. Crawpa.
French touch large.
Yo, it's crazy up in here. It's crazy up in here. Yes, Mr. Crawpa. So what? What the massive them? Tell the people them what them have to look out for. What's new? What you got in plan up for the 2012?
As me I say, no, 2012 no good again for me, you know. I'm not asking nobody to take me, I can't take, you know. If I know Crawpa, I could have a Rawpa. Now here I go on. Be a thing, guys. So right now, we also have a new website just launched here, they come out called bbmtv1.com, but you know say www.front, so oof. You see me I saying it's that thing where it go on good, so people also can go check it out. As I say www.bbmtv1.com. Female and know say see it there.
I'll make sure I get all that up on the on my page, so you know say Melinda start fully.
Definitely man. And as I say, Earth not safe tomorrow. The video go drop out there. Flyaway video soon come out again. Yeah. And a bag of thing. Also, for Step in our club. Within 2 weeks time, a video I go shoot. So you know, say a crazy sitting that car right now.
I feel that's gonna be. I feel that's a winner that one there.
It is car.
I feel that's a winner.
No, the response where I go on, it a go on good. Me not lie. So me I say, and in order for people also get to know more about Rawpa Crawpa, them have to Google, cause in a way most of my stuff them not 100% radio friendly, cause you see as me say hardcore, me say you know.
You don't know, right? Our Step Forward is planning to put together that mix CD really of all the music that don't get played. You know, a lot of DJs and artists are going in the studio and it's just a wham bam thank you ma'am, no edit, so it can't get the airplay. So you know, we're gonna have to reach it's gonna reach the people somewhere.
Definitely someone. So everything they done. I know if it's Facebook as well, Rawpa Crawpa. For people, my name is a bit mad, so Rawpa Crawpa spell R-A-W-P-A space C-R-A-W-P-A. So see there, Rawpa Crawpa. Google. There.
And the same thing. Well, you know, on this show, the people that listen to the show, they're used to the madness, you know, because it's all about my sick promotion crew. So they don't know say on this show the level turn up a different way from the rest.
Maddy, I say things that not okay. Crazy thing around here, you know.
Yeah, man, crazy. But we got 5 minutes to go, so Rawpa Crawpa, we give thanks for having you on the Step Forward show. French touch.
Yeah, thank you, Juki. It was nice to be there, seriously. And also, Northampton, look out for the BBM party on the 10th of February, the 24th if you can't make it on the 10th, and on the 16th of March if you can't make it on the 24th. So the first one on the 10th of February is going to be Valentine Day is coming soon, so get ready, come down to London, Brixton Road, the Blues Bar is going to be mad, and Rawpa Crawpa is going to be there performing live as well.
A crazy thing.
For you to see him.
Full action.
Mad. Massive and cool, as we say. Every show, you know what, it's just unpredictable. The only thing predictable about this show are the crazy mad turn-up. So you know what, once again, we give thanks to having Rawpa Crawpa and his full crew up on the Step Forward show, Inspiration FM. You don't know the thing set. We're just gonna bounce that tune there again, you know what, that mad dancehall tune, and we're gonna leave you with that one, yeah?
Yo, look.
So Massive. Check me or Congo Jesse on our Facebook pages, yeah? Hey. Remember every week in a normal, the man say, whoa.
And now me red bull mix up with the rum lucky. Looking at the place, so the place tell them. I'm stepping at the big glass, so you bust a lucky wine. I know the girl you want to get, girl, you want to girl. Wine up your waist, girl, your feet.